In this video, we'll be going over the top NFT projects to buy, and if you can get your hands on at least one of these can simply change your whole life because they'll make you bang. Real talk, nothing is guaranteed. Anyone who tries to promise you that is just a scammer and don't trust them. Every project we'll be going over today has very, very high potential.
No, oh my...
Let's hop right into it with number one being imaginary ones. Now, obviously, you can tell this project's gonna explode. It obviously has over 400,000 followers, followed by a lot of crypto and NFT professionals, so that's usually a very, very good sign. And their art is amazing. I mean, look at this. We're going to be going over the website roadmap later, but let me just go over their Twitter so far. It's really good. They started in January. They're going to release last month in March, but actually they want to release in April to hold it back. And that was kind of a smart idea because it benefits them, because last month, March, was kind of a rough part for NFTs. So it's going to be benefiting them when they're releasing here in April. You can't tell me this art isn't cool. This is so shareable on social media, and they have over 1.3 million views on this. Insane. Look at this. Top-notch 3D art quality. Insane. Those 3D bubbles, that's like their signature whole 3D thing. And we're kind of in a meta phase, but where 3D art is like a new thing. So yeah, you can't really go wrong with that. I really like the art style. Look, they even got the Naruto headband in there. Crazy, man. If we look at their official website, it says the team behind Imaginary Ones has a decade of experience working with Nike, Apple, Samsung, I don't know what that is, Spotify, Lorello. So they already have big experience with these. Their workers are highly experienced. 8,888 NFTs, and if you can get one, I can definitely see the floor price of this being 2 ETH plus in the next month or so. So obviously the art is insanely cool. This can be shareable on social media easily. I mean, look at this 3D with like this whole bubbles effect. Look at this art, man. It's insane. But if hopefully the art doesn't flop like Hype Bears did. Hype Bears was a complete flop, but I personally think this project, if it doesn't live up to its hype, bro, that's gonna be terrible. But honestly, I think it most likely it will. Manifesto. So when we were young, we dreamed of being superheroes. Anything was possible. So basically, they're trying to say this is a very happy and kid-friendly project to anyone. It's a Walt Disney project. They probably have a bunch of Disney people inside of here as well. And imaginary world where we dream, learn, and play together. So it's obviously a metaverse project. They've stated that before on their Twitter. Go check it out if you don't believe me. But yeah, they have their whole GIF here. Imaginary values, the good vibes, dream together, smell like a child. So they're obviously very, very friendly. And they're not trying to make a quick buck off here. They're just trying to actually implement really good vibe. They just want a whole good place to hang around. There's obviously no roadmap. There's like super big roadmap. There's only 3 easy phases. Drop, then second drop, brand collabs, and then metaverse where you can connect with each other. Only 3 people. They're doxed as well, literally with their Twitter, all their whole team. Discord is locked, but yeah, it's insane. And I think if you can get your hands on one of these, you'll for sure be rich. On to project number 2. It's actually a possessed NFT. I'm surprised I'm saying this, but it's honestly crazy. It's a profile picture NFT at the moment. There's not much utility that we know at the moment, but it's very, very hyped up and followed by very, very notable people like YGMI Studios, but I forgot his name, but he's a very, very smart person in the NFT space. Started in January of this year, and they already have 100,000 followers. Crazy. Their whole team, these 2 people are very, very smart, and they've been in the NFT space for a while now. So I definitely think they're trustable, and they've doxed, so for sure trustable. But I mean, look at the art. It really caught my eye. It's insane art, and they had like the specific type of profile picture art. So you can obviously tell this is a profile picture NFT project, but I don't really think we have a space in this whole market of having 10,000 profile picture NFTs. And yeah, that's basically on the Twitter side of it. Now we hop over to the website. It's a very, very cool website. Same GIF. They're releasing sometime in Q2 2022. There's gonna be not much utility with it at the moment. They're just saying they're gonna be releasing the roadmap soon in a couple of weeks and months. But yeah, there isn't a Discord either. But we do know there's 10,000 animated NFTs. That's outbreak apparently, so I could definitely see this sometime coming into the metaverse maybe. But again, something about the metaverse, we're not even sure if the metaverse is going to fully come out with the whole Facebook thing, but that's in a whole nother YouTube video. But yeah, obviously we don't know much about this NFT project, but we do know they're trustable, and the devs and the whole NFT founders around this are definitely notable. Go check them out. But yeah, this is definitely a good project to look at, and yeah, that's basically it for this project. The third NFT owner list is kind of low key. We're not even sure if it's releasing April, but they're absolutely exploding at the moment. 200,000 followers, absolutely insane. They're a shadow, vague, formless, but eternal NFT. Now let me tell you, be honest with you guys, we don't have that much information on this NFT project, but let me tell you, it's gonna be crazy. I can guarantee it. Why do I keep saying that? I'm not gonna guarantee it, but still, I believe in all these projects. That's why I'm saying that. But yeah, look at this, bro. Absolutely insane. Curse of Chaos, traveling show pattern, whatever. These tweets are receiving absolutely insane engagement. Like 22 hours ago and already 26,000 likes. These are really 6 hours ago, so that's probably low engagement. But this art is insane. Look at this, man. Absolutely insane art. Really, really detailed art. I mean, they even written on that area, like on the little sheet below that packets. Absolutely insane. 200,000. Really, really cool art. And they're like kind of in the anime style, kind of like the design style, comic book. They have an open Discord, but yeah, here's another leak of it. 95,000 views, and they released like a couple days ago. Music, but still, look at this dude, absolutely insane. Look at that little dude in the background. Thank me. And yeah, look at him right there, just sneaking through. But yeah, not much known about this project, but let's hop over to the website. The website's on a whole different level. I mean, look at this. They have like top secret files. You're not allowed to know some of these. Look at it. I love the way how they're doing all this. Like, look, there's nothing there at the moment. Ghost ping. There's not really that much, but the website details are insane. That's why I really like this project, because look, spam. They're like kind of making like a hide and seek. You have to find which one actually has locations, and you're gonna kind of see like hints of roadmaps like this, established comms, classified. So they're trying to keep things secret because they haven't fully found anything. But yeah, look, they've doxed themselves through all these documents. You can see founding members, Phantom 3, like their usernames and stuff and whatnot, and watchers. I'm pretty sure is like the whitelist or some parts of their teams, and you can see it's top secret. So I really like the theme of this solely, and like these are like the mods or founding members, whatever. So they've doxed all of themselves on here, so there's no need on the doxing part. Is this a video or something? Oh no, it was a PNG. But look at that, you can't really read any of that, so they're trying to keep everything secret. But yeah, they even have the timestamp for the recording. It's pretty nice. So yeah, that's probably wraps up this project. The fourth project on our list is called Rebels by Night. If I'm gonna say any project that'll probably make you the most amount of money, or the best project that has a high chance of becoming the next blue chip project, it's this project. Rebels by Night is probably the top project I'm motivated by. Like, I can't even describe the words that I'm like hyped up for this project. So obviously low follower amount compared to the other projects on this list, but that's good because now you can get in easier. Discord's open. They have around 80,000 members there. I'm already whitelisted, and basically they have this elite role. Elite role basically means you get a free NFT. One free NFT in whitelist. They're min priced. You can tell they're not obviously doing anything. They're not trying to make money because they're only 0.0 ETH for min price. But yeah, you can obviously tell by the artwork, it's absolutely insane. You can't tell me that's not insane. Look at the key to detail. Like, we haven't even gotten the full roadmap, full description of this yet. But look at these leaks, man. Absolutely insane. I love this project, bro. Just by the art, it caught my eye. And the founder of this project is absolutely insane. Here's even more crazy, dude. Like, the trailer of this is absolutely insane as well. Definitely go check them out. Let me show you the founder real quick. His name is Naz, and there's 3 founders of this. Naz and 2 more. But basically, you can tell this dude's been in the NFT space for over a couple months now, just by looking for these leaks. And his tweets are absolutely insane. Sneak peek, let's go. Just check out his tweets, and they're very, very smart. Like, I'm telling you, I was like thinking about his tweets, and I was reading them like, dang, this dude's actually smart. Thank God I'm investing into his project. But yeah, the sneak peeks, you guys definitely need to check out. These are just they've released so many sneak peeks, it's insane. Look at these, man. This one's probably one of my favorites by far. Kind of looks like a luxury brand. But yeah, let's hop into the website. So obviously I can't say much about the project, but look at this. My cursor is not like a scanning thing. And the trailer of this is absolutely insane. Like, digital identity. We are composed. We're gonna interface, evolve in digital series. It's a next gen, and Rebels is a next gen NFT project where art and technology merge to transform the way we share our digital identity. We build and leverage blockchain technology to express our identity through customizable NFTs. Rebels aims to visually bridge and empower communities, creators, and brands. So they're basically gonna be able to. You're gonna be able to mix your Rebels NFT with another NFT. So you can add like patches of the Rebel NFT to it. For example, let's say if you have a Bored Ape Yacht Club, you can add some bits of your Bored Ape Yacht Club to the Rebels, or Rebels bits of Bored Ape Yacht Club. That's only one utility though. It's absolutely insane. This is what I was talking about. You'll be allowing to display some of your favorite NFTs in your wallet and exclusive patches of our own creation. It's absolutely, the team is docs. Look at bro. I love how they set up their website. It's one of my first times seeing it. Obviously, I haven't scrolled down fully, but yeah. So here are the roles. There's going to be 13,000 Rebels. I haven't really seen this in NFT space where they give out that much NFTs. But you can obviously tell this isn't just for the money. 10% of the lead sale is for free. 1,337 NFTs are completely free. 44% are the pre-sale, the whitelisted people, 0.08 for whitelist, and then the public sale, that's where everyone gets to. Lead sale, they'll be able to lead squad. These NFTs will be free to mint and more available. And then pre-sale, 0.08 ethereum for all the whitelisted, and public sale, the price hasn't really revealed, but that's gonna be where main people are gonna be able to buy. So they've doxed themselves. So these are the founders, these are the teams, and these are the advisors. They haven't doxed their mods, but they've doxed most of their members, which matters the most. So the art and the graphic designs are absolutely insane. Look at this. We haven't even gotten the full utility. I've said that before, but still, I cannot express how hyped up I am for this project. Our final project is going to be Garbage Friends. Garbage Friends, it's in the name, garbage. It's going to be total garbage NFT project, as in the art and style. The founder of this project actually played a huge role in Invisible Friends, and everyone who had an Invisible Friend NFT is going to be whitelisted for this NFT. They have no Discord, only Twitter and Instagram. They actually released an Instagram 11 hours ago, and they're already hyped up. 100,000 followers on TikTok, Twitter, and they have their own hashtag. And the reason I'm saying this is because they're really active on Twitter. They have no utility, no roadmap. So you're probably wondering, why are you talking about this? Why do you recommend this, Dave? It's because they're really active on Twitter and they're engaging with their community and honestly playing a big role. And they're tweeting about things that are relating to their NFT project, like feeling pretty garbage today, might as well stay in my can until the weekend. Really relatable. I don't like the weekdays, man. But yeah. This is a founder project, has 100,000 followers, so obviously well recognized and really smart, so that's a good team. They already doxed their owner, or their founder, so that's good. Merch ideas, it's another way of engaging with their NFT project. Really good engagement as well. I like this. So, good morning, some drunk person just kicked me. And I just really wanted to put this NFT on your radar. So when they release Discord, there are probably going to be some whitelist spots available, and then you can quickly grab those. Or there might be for a sale. And if you have enough money, buy one. And I totally guarantee you can probably make a good flip off of this in the dumpster looking for inspiration. So yeah, they have funny tweets, active tweets, really, really good. They've really changed up their whole area. There's a sneak peek, probably one of the first sneak peeks we've seen so far. But yeah, I just want to keep this on your radar. All right, guys, that's pretty much going to wrap up the video. If you did enjoy this, if you found anything valuable, make sure to subscribe and like. Otherwise, we'll make no gains in the NFT market. So subscribe and like right now. You better. Join my Discord, link in description. Peace.